Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my famous taco salad. It's super easy. So I'm going to show you everything you're going to need. So of course you're going to need some ground beef. Of course not this much unless you're having like a party. You're going to need some salsa, sour cream, some cheese. It could be cheddar cheese. It doesn't have to be this brand of cheese, but like a cheese like this, like nacho cheese or something like that. Diced green chilies. I have some black olives, some chives. You're also going to need some tortilla chips. Any kind, any brand is fine. You're gonna need some taco seasoning too. Pico de gallo, sharp cheddar cheese, some purple onions, some lettuce, and optional, you can have some black beans. This is optional. So I'm gonna get ready to show you how to make it. To season the ground beef, I'm going to use some of my beef special seasoning, the bomb. This is really good in there, guys. You can spread it for the also use some black pepper. Okay, now the meat is done, so I'm going to drain out that excess oil. Get out of there. I'm going to need 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. Now, if you have the pack, you can just use the whole pack and add the 2/3 cups of water. I have to measure it since I have this container. I need 2/3 cups of water. So once I mix this up, I'm gonna let it cook until it gets a little thick. I'm gonna add in the green chilies now. And we're gonna add our cheese sauce. It smells so good. This is how it looks, and this is all the cooking that you're gonna have to do. Now we're gonna take some tortilla chips and just crush them at the bottom. They have to be perfect. I'm just putting it here so that there's something to grab at the bottom and you get it out the pan. Crush them up. I'm gonna do half crushed because when you warm it up or try to eat it later, it gets soggy. So I'm gonna do half crushed, but if I was having an event, I would just do the whole bottom crushed because they're gonna eat it all that day. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spread the ground meat over top of everything. First layer is going to be lettuce. So I'm just going to put the lettuce at the top. It smells so good, y'all. I can't wait to have some. And just make sure it's all the way covered with lettuce. All right. Okay, next I'm going to be using the sharp cheddar cheese. Same thing. Just want to cover the whole thing with that sharp cheddar cheese. Get our cheese on. Next, I'm gonna use this pico de gallo. So I'm gonna sprinkle this pico de gallo all over the whole pan. Look how nice it's looking. Just push it around so it can get all over everywhere. Okay, there it is. And lastly, we're gonna put on top some chives. So I'm just gonna sprinkle chives all over. Okay, I have some black olives. I'm gonna put it on 1/2. Just because I like them. Everybody in my house don't like them. So this is the half that has the chips on it. And I have jalapenos as well that I like to put on mine. So that's optional. You can put jalapenos on the side. So I like to put sour cream on the side, just in case anybody wants it. I don't want to put it on the actual salad. So you can just put that on the side, leave it all, put a spoon in there. So if anybody wants it, it's there. Also with the salsa, I just will pour it in a bowl and put a spoon in the bowl. So that way if someone wants that as well, they can get it themselves. Also some jalapenos. I just take some and put those in a bowl. I personally like jalapenos on mine, especially the hot ones. Put them in a bowl so that people can pick them if they want them. And taco sauce, guacamole, ranch, whatever else you like to have on your tacos, you can also put that on the side with a spoon in there, so whoever scoops it up, they can just grab their toppings that they would like on there. So that's it. So here is our taco salad, no bake. It's just, all you have to do is cook the ground meat, and it's super easy. Like I said, you can make this for dinner, you can make it for a game night, the football game, any game. It's super, super easy and it's super good. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.